Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Very necessary. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for the subscriptions, the likes, the comments. Oh my god, you are helping the channel grow and I am so grateful. God bless you. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Today, I am sharing with you my very first video as a YouTuber, requested by one of you, Magnetic Inspiration. She's actually one of my first subscribers and my top commenter. Yeah, Magnetic Inspiration really likes this recipe and asked I do a repetition. Thank you so much, girl. God bless you and keep the support coming. Yeah, we all know that pineapples are tropical fruits which has high vitamins, enzymes and antioxidants. Yeah, they help boost the immune system, they help build strong bones and also aids in digestion. So it's good we incorporate some pineapples or also eat some pineapples on a regular basis. This recipe of mine is very simple, very nutritious and very healthy. Yeah, so these are my beautiful pineapples. We all know that pineapples are so sweet, just like Catherine Geston said. Be like a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown and be sweet on the inside. Yeah, so these are some sweet pineapples of mine. Yes, and also my ginger. Yeah, you can use as much ginger as you want. So I start by cutting or peeling my pineapples and cut them into blendable shapes or sizes. No special size or shape. Yes, because we are going to blend them. Yes, these are my sweet pineapples. So I wash and cut my ginger also in blendable shapes or sizes depending on the blender you are using. The more ginger, the tastier. Yeah, so now I blend my ginger and a little pineapple so I get a very good consistency, that the ginger will blend very well. And I add some water and start with the blending whilst my saucepan is on a medium heat and preheated. So after blending, I'll just pour the first batch into my preheated pan and blend the remaining pineapples with some water. Add it to those on fire. So I rinse my blender and then add it to it. Yeah, depending on the consistency you want. I want mine very light because once it boils and cools down, it's going to thicken up. So I'm stirring at this point. Very light, you can see that. So I cover it up and allow it to boil. So you see it's boiling here and the aroma coming out is superb, so natural no additive, no preservative, and so refreshing. You can see how light it is. The papa. So our juice is done. Yeah, so I put it off and then I allow it to cool down a bit, and voila, we are serving. Just look at this, so refreshing, so natural, and so colorful. I just added some cubes into a glass and I am serving my guests. You're gonna love this. Anyone who tastes this will be like, please give me some more. Yeah, please give me some more. Oliver Twist. Yeah, so I have garnished this, and then I have also bottled some. I added some mangoes to some of the juice, and then I have bottled them. So I'll just refrigerate them so that anytime I have a guest, I will serve them to also enjoy the sweetness. Please try this at home and send me a comment. I love you guys. God bless you. Bye bye.